Good morning, students. Today we will study controlling system and date and time. Controlling system, date and time. You can see the page number 27 of your computer book. Page number 27. So in computer there is also time is there, date is there. So that also we can change and adjust. Okay. So about this we will study today. Every computer has a system clock. Windows 7 displays this system clock in the notification area, where you will get this time and date in the which area? Notification area. You know where is notification area? In the system tray you will find at the bottom side, right side you will get that. Okay, date and time. Set date and time related properties using date and time applet of control panel. So these things again where you will get it? In the control panel. So how to open control panel? Start button, control panel, click on the start button, click on the control panel, then you will see there is a one option in the control panel tab, there is a clock, language and region. So by clicking on that you will able to open this particular timetable dialog box. Okay, this date and time dialog box. Here what you can do, you can change the time. You can see here is written change the time zone. Okay, so time zone you can change. Again additional clock are there, internet time is available. You can see there is also tab for that. So how you will do? Click on the date and time button, control panel, large icon view. In the control large icon view you can click on the date and time. Okay, then after or how you can do? Right click on the clock, right click on the clock icon in the notification area. One method is there, you can click on the start button, control panel, and then after you can see this click on the date and time. One more method is there. What is the method? You can click on the right side. Here you can click, you can see in this picture you can see, then you will understand better. Here you can click, here you can also click where the time is displaying. On the time, on the you just bring your mouse cursor over here, and then what you will do? Click, right click on this time, then you will get the same dialog box. This same dialog box you can get from here also. Okay, the same dialog box you will get, this same dialog box you will get here also, and you can change your date and time. Okay, so there are 3 tabs in this. Okay, this tab, when this tab will open, so there are total how many tabs are there? All together there are 3 tabs. Okay, what are the tab? Date and time tab, additional clock and internet. Okay, you can see there are 3 tabs: date and time, additional clock and internet time. So there are total 3 tabs you will get in this date and time dialog box. Okay, so what are the meaning of this? One by one we will study. First of all, date and time. First of all we will study about date and time. So date and time, this tab shows the current date and time. If you want to make change, you can do here. In this tab, means you want to change your in your date and time, you have to go. Suppose in your computer there is it is not properly giving the right time, or you want to change your time to the other country's time with the other country's time, you can do the changes by the help of date and time tab. Okay, so change the date and time. To change date and time, how you will do? First of all, click on the change date and time. One tab was there. Okay, in that dialog box, in earlier you here I just did it. Here you can see in this you can see there is the, here is the change date and time. You can see here is the change date and time. So when you will click it, when you will click on here, then you will get this tab. Okay, this tab you will get, and here you can adjust your time. Here is the calendar, you can choose the exact date, and also you can scroll it here. Up and down button is there, up and down button is there. You can adjust your time, or by the help of keyboard also you can change the time, and then after you click on OK, so that your time will be fixed. Okay, you can change your calendar here, and here is also to move the year, month and year, particular date you can select, and you can change your time and date. Okay, now next is your change time zone. Next is your time zone. Time zone means that suppose we are staying in India, we are living in India, so here time zone is like 5:30 Kolkata, Mumbai, like that. Suppose anybody is staying in the living in the other country like in England or Australia, they have the different time zone. So other different country have the different time zone. Okay, so this time zone we can also suppose that I'm staying in the India and I want to time zone of England, because I have to work with the England for their time. So we can change the time zone. So different country and place read different time at given moment. So suppose here is 8 o'clock, maybe in the other country it will be like 12 o'clock. So like that. So different country has the different time. Okay, so our computer, how you will do same thing, you have to click on where same here you can see in this tab, then you will understand better. Here is again one option is there, this time zone. Here you have to click, and then you are able to change your time zone. Okay, then you are able to change your time zone. You can change the any time. Suppose in India we are using this one 5:30 Chennai, Kolkata, Mumbai, New Delhi. Okay, then after you click here, okay, then you will able to change your time zone. Okay, the time of clock will be adjust automatically according to your selection. Understood? Next, your this is additional clock. Okay, this tab of Windows 7 allow you to see two more different clocks set up simultaneously with system clock. Additional clock means suppose I want two more clock, one for the India, one for one for the Australia, one for the England, and they should have the different time. This time is will given for this clock will show the Indian time, this will for the England time, this for Australia time. So this facility is given, this type of facility is provided by Windows 7, and this come under the additional clock tab. Okay, where it come additional clock, so we can apply. So here is the option, as I told that there are total 3 tabs are there. You can see there are 3 tabs are there. In these 3 tabs, one tab is for the additional clock. Click on this additional clock and you can see these options are there. You can select the time zone. First is for the selecting time zone, second for the second clock time zone, and here is the country name. Here is also country name, which country name, here is also which country name, and then after click on the OK, and you will see there is the here is the your different time. Understood? And you can see this is the different countries their time, and also Nepal, East, local time, our time. So 3 watches are there. So this is about the additional clock. We can put the additional clock in our computer to see the different countries time. Okay, so your homework is to write the recall time in your copy, as well as you have to do the objective question by yourself, and after that I will also give the answer of that. And please read this chapter 2 thoroughly and try to understand each point. Okay, thank you.